Question 1. What is the capital city of Canada? Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa, Vancouver. Correct answer, Ottawa. Question 2. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare,
Jane Austen.
Mark Twain. Correct answer, William Shakespeare. Question 3. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Jupiter,
Saturn.
Uranus,
Mars.
Correct answer, Jupiter. Friends, support our channel by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to us. Let's keep going. Question 4. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? China,
Japan. Thailand.
South Korea. Correct answer, Japan. Question 5. Which ocean is the largest by area? Atlantic,
Indian. Pacific. Arctic.
Correct answer, Pacific. Question 6. Who invented the incandescent light bulb? Alexander Bell, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, Benjamin Franklin. Correct answer, Thomas Edison. Question 7. Which continent has no permanent population? Africa, Antarctica, Australia, South America. Correct answer, Antarctica. Question 8. Which country was the first to send a human into space? USA, China, USSR, Germany. Correct answer, USSR. Question 9. In which year did World War II begin? 1935, 1939, 1941, 1945. Correct answer, 1939. Question 10. What is 12 times 12? 124, 144, 132, 156. Correct answer, 144. Question 11. How many planets are there in the solar system?
7, 8,
9.
10.
Correct answer, 8. Question 12. What is the highest mountain in Europe? Mont Blanc, Elbrus, Matterhorn, Grossglockner. Correct answer, Elbrus. Question 13. What is the official language of Brazil? Spanish, Portuguese, French, English. Correct answer, Portuguese. Question 14. How many seconds are there in 1 hour? 3,600, 6,000, 1,800, 7,200. Correct answer, 3,600. Question 15. Which famous artist cut off part of his own ear?
Monet.
Van Gogh, Rembrandt, Dali. Correct answer. Van Gogh. Question 16. Which country has the largest population? India,
China,
USA, Indonesia. Correct answer. India. Question 17. What is the longest river in the world? Nile,
Amazon,
Mississippi, Yangtze. Correct answer, Amazon. Question 18. What unit is used to measure electric current?
volt,
Ampere,
ohm,
hertz. Correct answer, ampere. Question 19. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? Purple, orange.
green, brown,
Correct answer, purple. Question 20. Which city is the most populated in the world?
Shanghai,
Tokyo, Delhi, New York. Correct answer, Tokyo.